Hello, today we are going to look at how to create an audio message for our students in Canvas. So I am going to begin by going to Pages. I'm going to add my audio message to a page that I've already created. So in my Pages, I am going to view all pages and I am going to go to my Getting Started page. So, what I'm going to do is record an audio welcome for my students that will be embedded in my Getting Started page. So, I'm going to click on Edit, and then I am going to click on the Add Audio option there at the top toolbar of our HTML editor. And I'm going to select Upload/Record Media. And here I'm going to click on Record there at the top. And then I am going to go ahead and make sure my mic is on. And I always turn off my webcam because I want it strictly audio. And I'm going to start my recording. When I'm satisfied with my recording, I am going to go ahead and save the recording and give it a name. So I have finished recording and I'm going to title this Welcome Message. And then I am going to go ahead and click save. And that's going to add this audio recording to my Getting Started page. So now that it's added, I'm going to scroll on down and click save so that it saves the changes that I've made to my Getting Started page. And there you have it. The audio welcome is added to the Getting Started page. And that's just another way to welcome your students to the course.